Hello everyone, in this video we will walk through the process of wrapping the front fender with Tech Wrap polyurethane film. First, we removed all the hardware here and here. We rubbed the fender surface with non-abrasive clay. Now we will degrease it and start wrapping. For the wrapping process, we will need a soapy solution and some alcohol. We have diluted 1 part of alcohol to 4 parts of water. Now, we will spray the area under the hood as well as all the places under dismantled hardware to avoid ingress of the dust. Next, we will wet the surface of the fender with soapy solution. Go over it with a squeegee, then wet the fender with soapy solution once again. Then we take the prepared film, wet it on the adhesive side with soapy solution. Position the film on the fender and start applying it. Since the film is placed over a soapy solution, the adhesion is minimal. In order to anchor the film, we will wash the points of fixation with an alcohol solution and secure it. We will fix the film on adjacent elements in order to avoid film deformation on the fender. We anchored one side of the film to the nearby element. Next, we will wet the film on the front end of the fender, slightly stretch it along the fender and then squeegee it. To fix the film on the lower corner of the fender, we will cut off the excess film on the headlight and squeegee the corner. Now, we will wrap this part of the fender. We will wet the lower part of the fender and the film. Next, we will pull it slightly downwards in order to get rid of this crease here and fix it at the lower corners. There is a recess under the gill at the lower part of the fender. We will cut out the excess film, rinse the edges with alcohol solution, and apply it. There are two corners on the upper part of the fender. We will rinse the soapy solution with alcohol, then with a light tension, we will stretch the film over the corners and squeegee it. After we have wrapped the main surface of the fender, we will cut off the excess film along the edges with a margin of 3 to 5 millimeters. Next, we will rinse the edges with alcohol and tuck them around the edges. On the junction with adjacent elements, we cut off the film along the edge of the nearby element. We've finished wrapping the edges, but there is an excess of the film left in some areas. We will cut them off, wipe the fender dry, check for bubbles and let it dry. And after that, we will heat up all the edges, corners and recesses with a heat gun. The film has dried up. Now, we will slightly heat up the edges and all corners. The wrapping of the fender is complete.